Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Christian Academy haka arpaulai tarik ujeliu 8,000 arpauar. Kalapan ko Burom yaki Samla Pule ki balapas haka eksamen Sslc bat Hsslc 8,000 arpauar. Kabadang syumpen benasyen dake embus. Ya kane ka jingpen ko Burom lapan long ha ususu tham auditorium ha ka jingadan langka Professor Kong Tiki Harbaman kabadai ru ka Vice Chancellor Jong ka Martin Luther Christian University kum ka Kongsan. Ka Principal ka Kong Fidelin W. Khan, President Managing Committee Ba Chaiwan Star Kharkrang, Vice Principal Kong Ramona Lengdo, Pastor Ishan Bok Lang Renta Thiang, ki nong hikai ki nong shakhot ngobha, ki kmekik pa bat ki khana school. Lasam ru yaki khusnam shimet bakanthop yaka khusnam batbet haki kam yalekai, ka khusnam good behavior bat giwei. Habakren kum ka kongsan ka kong tike kharbaman kala ai khublei bat ket bok ket ruang ya ki Samla Pule ki balapas hagi kerdan ba pher bat kentu bakin nang trai shitom bat minat hop hagi jing Pule badangsa kala ai khublei ru ya ki nong hikai ki bala ai ka jing hikai ka babyang tam bat kum jo ru ya ki kmeki kpa ki bala kershan ban pha school ban penang penstan la pen shongkun ru hakani kasngi da ki jing ruai.
To all the parents who I believe are happy and proud to witness this occasion with us. My fellow classmates, this ceremony marks the first milestone we have crossed together as fellow Christian academites. As I stand here in front of you, my mind is full with all the memories collected over the number of years I have spent in Christian Academy. I joined Christian Academy as a toddler in play school known as Kids Kingdom. How time flies, and now I am standing here in this graduation ceremony with one foot already on another journey to be embarked. I am sure that most of my fellow classmates, including myself, are filled with many emotions like excitement, nervousness, and many more.
Vice principals, members of the managing committee, members of the Christian Academy Education Society, pastors and deans, members of the church, the faculty, the supporting staff of the Christian Academy, the graduates, ladies and gentlemen. The mission of the institution is committed to developing the life of every student by implanting biblical principles to shape and mold character, as well as to seek to be at the cutting edge of providing quality education through qualified, trained, and committed faculty. Over the years, Christian Academy has indeed achieved its mission through the testimony of the many students who have passed from this institution by developing character leadership with an education that is both spiritual and academic. The students testify of the commitment and dedication of the management, the principal, the faculty, and all those who have been the props to the institution. Graduates, it is my great pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your degrees. I know your climb up the level was met with challenges unimaginable, undreamt of. The COVID-19 pandemic, which will be recorded in the history of each one of our lives and in our state and the world over. But this experience tested your resolve, your potential, and your capacities to the limit. With God's gracious mercies and your resilience, you have scaled up the ladder to be where you are today. Now as you stand at the peak, horizons of opportunity stretch out before you. Today you are at the entry of another journey in your life. The future, as a graduate had said, is mysterious, is unknown. It's exciting, it's challenging and daunting. Where you do not know what the future holds, but with God at the vessel, you can rest assured that the future will go well with you. With the education you have received, there is no doubt that you will positively impact thousands of lives over the course of your journey. Have confidence in your talent. Your determination and the quality of the education you have received, the ideals and the values you have been taught in school will always be your guide. But let me offer you some snippets of advice. Certainly, the world beyond the school is attractive, it's alluring, but it can also be deceptive. Listen to your heart, and also seek advice and counsel before making a choice, decisions in your life. Be discreet, be resolute before making a decision, but do not ever shrink from a challenge. The readiness to tackle challenges is what makes you a leader. It defines your personalities and your identities. The talents you have will certainly maximize your future success in society, the community, the country, and the world. But in the process, remember to also be humble in your attitudes. When we do not fight to achieve them, but my dear graduates, dream big and muster in all your efforts and tenacity to realize them. Don't blow them away into thin air. Trust in God, He will lead you along the way. Dear teachers, I take this opportunity to congratulate you for the success of the past and the present batch of students. You have an awesome responsibility for the future of the community, of the state, and the country as a whole. In the classrooms, that you strive effortlessly each day to mold and shape the character of young minds, to make them the future citizens with a social accountability. I know it has not been easy. The last so many months have stretched your abilities, your talents, and your professional expertise to the limits. But you have succeeded, and you deserve a basket of thanksgiving for your toil and your efforts to learn and relearn the novel strategies of teaching in order to give the best to your students. I want the graduates and the parents to join me in giving an applause to all your teachers.